Parents, your child has missing work for my class that they need to complete tomorrow during Wellness Wednesday. Here is how to access their work. First, they need to go to classroom.google.com. Then they need to click on their name and sign in. Then they need to click on McDonald Google Classroom. Then they need to click on Classwork. Then they need to go down to the bottom of the page until they get to English class, Clase de Inglés. Then they need to click on 125 to 129. This is last week's work. Once they click on that, they need to click on their view assignment. Here, I posted what slides they need to complete. So these are the slide numbers that they need to finish in order to get full credit. Once they look at the numbers, then they need to click on their name. Once they click on their name, they need to go down to the correct slide numbers and if they are missing work, they will see a red symbol like this. So the student here needs to complete this word vocabulary card. So this is the kitchen. So here is a picture of the kitchen. Here is a sentence. I cook food in the kitchen. They need to include a translation. What is the word for kitchen in Spanish? They need to write it. And then they need a definition. The room where I cook food. That is kitchen. Once they are done, they can delete this image. Then they need to go to dining room. They need to find an image here. In order to find an image, you need to click on this little box right here. After you click on the box, then you click on Search from Web. Search from the web. When you click Search from Web, you will get a box over here. Here you need to click on dining, or you need to type in dining room and enter. The student can choose an image of the dining room and then they need to make it smaller. Then they also need a translation for the dining room. What is the word for dining room in Spanish? And then what is a sentence? I eat food in the dining room, the room where I eat food. So any vocabulary card with this symbol needs to be completed. If you have any questions, please text me and I will help you tomorrow. The students need to complete this work tomorrow for Wellness Wednesday. Thank you. Have a great day.